Home Mingla, Janona Mingla to Pipare, Janova Smart Education Consultant of Pipare. You need to know Swedish in Agaro, the Puna visa, Jambo to know, and Ning Swedish in Mare. The Puna visa, Chapo Dre, Bari Pinsayam Lisura, to know Ning Piopiachin. Puna visa, Chapo Dre, but Maso Chen the English South Pinsayam of Pipare, English level Garo. Competent level English to Kubu Yashitama Pipare. Competent level English or the IADS overall says no band less than say in each component. The cushion sima is 6 ya tama Pipare. The PT or the overall 50, no less than 50 each component. The cushion sima 50 Yashitama Pipare. To Penine Garo, the at least 12 for listening, 13 for reading, 21 for writing, and 18 for speaking to Yashitama Pipare. And now the share Ninangaro, the skill assessment will shout Tama Pipare. Skill assessment shout Tabu the Bari to MLA Surado, bachelor degree Tomoho, the master degree go, Puneta signed it, Lunge Neta signed it, the bachelor degree Tomo master degree Yashitama Pipare. Kuneta signed the Lunge Sodado, the Boma software engineer, accounting, electrical engineer, in chef and cook Alaribu, the Solo Raba. The notation in the Kuneta Sane Loma, Lotridge on Nison and Nichia Bame, and notation in the recommendation letter, basically the salary band transition, the Lucensiga, go the Yashitama Pipare, the Chate Konga, the space assessment solution, a Yijibare, and notation in the Genopiochanaro, below space assessment below Chowtown level. Who are the document the Congon maybe, let him a young maybe, as solution go Beniama, Babido, the scale assessment will blue Chama level. So the IT occupation to the ACS March Harbor, engineering engineering organization Babido Charbor, the Shah occupation in the assessment Babido Charbor. Application fees and the IT occupation solution in his own Maya Piavare, Dolangaya Piavare. Solution the Bema Pocham Lesura, the Lingema, the language Chapitavare, engineering in Chapitavare, not at the ACS car or the IT occupation traffic, the Shah occupation, the assessment for the Chava. The occupation list are the Namejia occupation list no the Natal in the city, Natal Senate ma the Namejia occupation list a occupation list are the Shaiki Center manager, restaurant manager, and the Shah engineering the Pilushi, the IT occupation the Pilushi nursing the carpenter the software engineer power. So the other period the was case assessment ya CBB bonus case assessment be the English test assessment English test result ya be solution now take the chain in the EOI law EOI expression in interest to low slow on no the EOI low slow board bari low less solution the positive case assessment letter lo me be English test result lo me education and qualification details lo me bono be employment history lo me bono. Solution Daga the champion in the scale regional visa Saka Funamazura Bale, Bono, the scale business regional visa Sapkala Yashilushin Bare, below Finipis, Yamalesura, champion Piopa. But Amata Chan in the scale regional visa Saka Funamaga, Mani Yashima Pipare. Relation A visa Yashida net to a tone set in Konga Tonton Yaloshin, the 491 B 191 Pia visa Chalu Java. So the visa Chauta Charo, each limigaro, the 18 years old and now some years got 45 years old T Chautalu Java. Yaman in 65 points low epare, the visa application fee in Aro, later the Yajo Piavare. Solution the Shah look at our not the part 2 much champion Toma. Solution the 491 Kulology offshore application to 2021 and 2022 June to Mopandi Bow. Government the Namimaro, the Pampomyabare, ဆိုတော့ဒီနောက်နေ့ဖွင့်တယ်ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်အခုကလေးကနေပြင်ဆင်ထားလို့ရတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဆိုရင်ပြင်ဆင်ထားမှာတော့ English requirement တို့ပြီးလို့ရှိရင် skill assessment တို့ကိုပြင်ဆင်ထားလို့ရပါတယ်ဒါပေမဲ့ဒီ smart education အနေနဲ့ကတော့အခုချိန်မှာကျွန်တော်တို့ service မပေးသေးပါဘူးနောက်ထပ်ဒီနောက်နေ့အထိပေါ့နော် service မပေးသေးပါဘူးဒါပေမဲ့ဒီsmart education အနေနဲ့ကတော့အခုလောလောဆယ် service ပေးနေတာကတော့ဒီ student application ပြင်ဆင်တာတို့ဒီ study visa ရှောက်ပေးတာ student visa ရှောက်ပေးတာလို့ကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီဝန်ဆောင်မှုပေးနေပါတယ်တကယ်လို့ smart education ကဝန်ဆောင်မှုကိုလိုအပ်တဲ့ဆိုလို့ရှိရင်တော့ဒီအောက်မှာပေးထားတဲ့ဖုန်းနံပါတ်တွေကိုဆက်ပြီးတော့ဒီမြင်စုံစမ်းနိုင်ပါတယ်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ